Imagine walking into a car dealership and seeing a big sign that says $30,000. Naturally, you'd think, okay, this car costs $30,000. That's exactly what Brandon thought. After saving money for months, he finally went to the dealership to buy his dream SUV. He loved the car. The test drive felt amazing and everything seemed perfect. Then he sat down in the finance office. That's when the real story began. One document after another was placed in front of him: sales tax, dealer fees, registration charges, insurance, and then the biggest expense of all, the interest on the car loan. Brandon believed he was buying a $30,000 SUV. But a few years later, when he added up every dollar he had spent, he was shocked. The total cost was almost $55,000. How? Because most people only look at the sticker price, but that's not where the real cost ends. Let's say you finance the car for 7 years. Every single month, interest keeps adding up. On top of that, you still have sales tax, insurance, registration, regular oil changes, new tires, brake service, and those unexpected repairs that always seem to show up at the worst possible time. Then comes another major cost: depreciation. In other words, the value of your car keeps dropping over time. So after 7 years, the SUV you actually spent $55,000 on might only be worth around $15,000. That's the difference between how wealthy people think and how most people think. Most people ask, how much is the monthly payment? But smart people ask, what's the total cost of owning this car? That one simple question can save you thousands of dollars. So the next time you see a $30,000 car, don't just focus on the price tag. Ask yourself, how much money will this car really cost me by the time I'm completely done paying for it? Because sometimes a $30,000 car actually costs $55,000. And once you understand that truth, you'll make smarter, stronger, and more confident financial decisions in the future.